Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. So today I have a little update for you. I had previously posted that I was making a top inspired by a higher end company who made this like kind of crochet top. It's similar, but is not exactly the same. I guarantee you it is not the same pattern because I looked at it and just kind of came to my own conclusion as to how to make it. But here it is complete. I did add like a puffy sleeve to it. And here it is. I will show you a picture of me actually wearing it so that way you can get an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, it actually came out pretty good, besides the fact that I did make the panels too small. I should have made them slightly bigger, but I compensated for that by adding a mesh side here. And the sleeves were like perfect. But that's what I did on the sleeves there. And I did do a puffy sleeve. Some things that I would do different with this project is make this part here dip down a little lower, like maybe to right here, just to make the front a little more, I don't know, less conservative, I guess, because right now this is way too close. It's more like a crew neck, I think is what they call it. But yeah, I think it came out really good. I added a scalloped edge to my sleeves and everything just kind of fell into place the way it was supposed to be. On this side though, I did kind of mess up with the mesh because I forgot that if you keep going the way you're going, you wind up decreasing. So you have to do something different for the edges, but other than that, came out pretty good. Here is the back. And the back is exactly the same as the front. And nothing would change about the back. The back looks good. I kind of just did the sleeves like in one day. You know, it took me maybe like an hour and a half to complete the sleeves because it's not very many rows. And what I did was I seamed the shoulders together first, and then I laid it out, found where my sleeves are going to be, and then just worked in rows, and then attached it at the bottom, seamed it down with a slip stitch, and then started my mesh edging for the edges. But yeah, here it is. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see a full tutorial of this pattern, and I will try to get out like our repeats and everything so that way I can kind of give you an idea of how to make it bigger without adding mesh on the side. What else? Originally I was going to line it, just the front, with some similar colored, or not similar colored, probably like a cream color like t-shirt fabric on the inside, so that way I could wear it if I wanted to without a bra or whatever. But at this point I think it's fine where it's at. If I make another one, I will definitely line it. And yeah, anyways, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this. And if I get enough likes or enough comments on it, I will definitely, like I said, make a video on it and possibly even put a pattern. The pattern will probably just be the chart and maybe some notes on how to make it bigger or smaller. Other than that, I think this was a fun project. It was fun to kind of get creative and look at a picture and try to dissect it and try to, you know, make it my own basically. Instead of following a pattern, I made my own. It was really fun. I got to use the Stitchworks software. Is really hard for me to say, which is crochet charts. Today is a hard day for me to talk. Anyways, be on the lookout for a new tatting video. I'm gonna try to get that out within the next week or week and a half. I am working on it right now, and yeah, I might even post a couple more crochet videos on something, I don't know, because I haven't found a project or anything that I really wanted to make. I might make some more bras, some more bra tops, stuff like that, you know. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to this short video. I hope you have a great crafty day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!